everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! How's everybody doing today? Well, I hope you guys are doing good and you're starting your summer off good. I mean, we are in the high season of summer. It's the 2nd of August. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. It's so crazy. Okay, the time is flying. My daughter's like, in a few months it's gonna be Christmas. And I'm like, please don't even remind me. Let me enjoy the summer. Let me enjoy the time. It's just going too quick, guys. So, I don't know if you noticed, but I got this really cool stone. I got it yesterday. This guy was selling handmade items that he made from that stuff that he found actually out in the street. And yeah, he did this carving. It's a stone, and it's pretty. I like it. It's super heavy. I would say it's lava, but I don't think so. I don't know. This part is rubber, by the way, but this is an actual stone. I don't know why there's white pieces on it, but yeah, I forgot to mention it. I got that yesterday. And yes, of course, I was at my favorite shop, Moha? I think that's how you pronounce it. And they got these beautiful bracelets. I love this store. I mean, it's in El Cotillo, and yeah, they just got really cool things, stuff for the house, like Moroccan. It's North African style, Bohemian, boho, whatever you want to call it. It's just everything. She's got throws in there. She's got furniture. She's got jewelry. She's got these type of jewelry. She has what else does she have? She has purses, as you guys saw. I got that really big leather purse, which was actually for an awesome price. It was for 145 euro, which is actually good, and it's funky. I don't know. I know, what am I going to do with that big old bag? I already had back problems, but I couldn't resist. I love big bags. And so yeah, I had to. I just had to. But however, yes, so I am going to get ready, start my day off. Today we have tennis. I'm gonna run a few errands. Nothing big and special today, I don't think, full of surprises. You just never know. However, yeah, and also got this other dress on that I got the other day with the pretty blue color. It matches my nail polish. I'm feeling Barbie today. Yes, I'm feeling very Barbie. Even though I don't have any pink on, I got baby blue, and that's enough. So today I'm inspired from Barbie. I didn't bring any pinky-like makeup with. That's a pity. I would love to do like a pinky Barbie look, but I don't know. I'll create my own look today. So, yeah. I'm excited. I'm excited. Yeah, we'll see what happens today. What's going on. Other than that, you guys know what to do. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to hear more from me. And yeah, I'll be showing you all how we spend our day in Fuerteventura on Tuesday. Is today Tuesday? Tuesday or Wednesday? No, today's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Yes, is it Wednesday? I gotta check the. I'm telling you, when I come over here, I'm just like, the time, I'm like off. Yeah, it's Wednesday. Okay. See you. Don't go nowhere. Where they go?